King Nii Aklɛ II and members of the Ghana Traditional Council have met with Nii Aklɛ Kwei III, Chief of Kweiman Nii Kobblah II, Chief of Nsumia, and some representatives from Dome Faasɛɛ, all under Gbese and Simpe jurisdictions, to continue talks on the recent land disputes between them and the Akyems. The meeting, which was scheduled for Monday, 9th November 2020, afforded the people of Nsumia and Kweiman a first-time hearing to present their case before the members of the council. In an interview with Naa Korkoi, Nii Aklɛ Kwei III, Chief of Kweiman, who led his delegation, explained the situation, their approach, and also advised both fractions.
Isake wachiwa benke wacheme nuopo amamani yake noni ya none ni ke wo dumo shudugba ka kwe na iwe watashi po jenche ka kwe awa igapo jenche kwe odi
o fane ka jo ke be ye jishishin ka je weku ma tem
ko la ke game o shipon san ye wuku shipon ke na kan bi ne
okay
wo wana ke wuku shipon ne ke wonye ma kafi ne kuma de ke iwa ke patapa ke bi ona no be pie ke afi wuku o ko la ke oboku bi sani ona ni wo hin mi na kan agbere choma sani wo so ni e ba she ko ne ke ka ko na ya agbere ke no mo jenche po ba ne jemi si wo hi o ya ke sanu wo cheme lo wa le no ni ya ro ona ya ke de kan jengbe fe ko ba kwe ni be ni ko ba dona akan wo ni se gan jen ni no le ya Moshpon je ni wo me ni wo yo je won kweno ke ha gan wo ke mo kwe ba ni ba taga shipon here basanu on cheme wale.
The representation for Dome Faasɛɛ also took the opportunity to plead with members of the council to help retrieve some 16 motorbikes the military had seized when they stormed their town. He explained that all efforts by them to have the motorbikes released had proved futile. Speaking on behalf of the council, Nii Gbese and Lord of some of the affected areas cautioned the group to desist from using their discretion to resolve the situation. He said the lawyers of the council were on top of the situation. He also admonished them to present to the council every documentation that will be of help to the situation. Another meeting has been scheduled for a later date, which will be communicated to them. A report by Naa Korkoi for Reeby News, Accra.